Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and navigating straight to the post composer. Don't linger. Once the composer is visible, decide whether this is a status, photo, or comment. Pick the correct field. Make sure your account is logged in and privacy is set how you want it. This affects who sees the sticker. Now tap the sticker or emoji icon near the composer. This first action reveals sticker categories, so you can choose a style that fits your message. Once the sticker tray is open, browse categories or use the search box to type a keyword and surface specific packs. Tap a sticker to add it to your post. If you're on a photo, drag it where you want and use pinch gestures to resize. Make sure the sticker doesn't block important content. Align with faces or text using on-screen guides. If the sticker supports animation, press or preview to see it move. When satisfied, check the post preview before moving on. Finish by writing a caption, tagging people, and adding location if needed. Once done, double-check privacy and tap post or share, then watch for the upload confirmation to ensure the sticker appears. If you don't see the sticker after posting, refresh the feed and reopen the post. Make sure the app is updated and cache data is cleared. If problems persist, try a different sticker pack or restart the app. That usually resolves placement or animation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.